Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, May 12th. Seeing some partly cloudy skies out there. We are going to be seeing a little bit of chillier temperatures today with a high near 60 degrees. And then starting tomorrow, we'll begin a slow moderation of our temperatures and then really warming up as we go into Friday and then into the weekend. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we do have high pressure building into the mid-Atlantic region. This will give us some little bit of some northwesterly winds as we go towards the afternoon today, possibly seeing a brief period of a wind advisory as we see some brief gusts up to 25 knots as this pressure gradient here tightens between high pressure building in and this low way off over Maine. However, tomorrow we are going to be seeing some much lighter winds and some very pleasant conditions as this high pressure will be settled overhead, and then later next week seeing this high pressure shift to east of the area, ushering in a much warmer air mass. Taking a look at our satellite this morning, we are seeing some lower clouds near about 4,000 feet start to pop up, and you also see this band of some upper level cirrus streaming across the mid Atlantic, and that's pretty much what we're going to be seeing throughout the day. Few just scattered at that 4,000 foot level with some cirrus cloudiness, otherwise remaining partly cloudy throughout the day. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we were seeing northwesterly winds at the surface up through about 6,000 feet, running between 20 to 25 knots at those levels. And then as they shift more westerly, starting at 9,000 feet, they're running around 35 knots, increasing steadily up to 111 knots from the west-northwest at the 25,000 foot level, seeing our freezing level this morning just above 3,000 feet. For today, going to be looking at a high of 60 degrees, which is running more than 10 degrees below average this time of year, so a little chilly out there today. Winds are going to increase from the northwest as we go towards the late morning hours and afternoon, seeing those winds become 10 to 15 knots and slightly gusty this afternoon before they shift westerly towards the late afternoon hours. Those winds will then die off as we get towards sunset and becoming fairly light and variable overnight. Then we'll see those winds shift more northwesterly at 4 to 9 knots near sunrise tomorrow, expecting a low tomorrow morning, 10 degrees below average of 44 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing a few to scattered cloud deck near 4,000 feet today, as well as some scattered cirrus clouds. As we go into late this afternoon and early this evening, we'll be seeing a scattered to broken cloud deck at 6 to 7,000 feet, and then we'll see those clouds decrease once again after 2 a.m., becoming just a few at 25,000 feet by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a look at our extended weather model to show you how the weather pattern will be progressing throughout the week and into this weekend. As we go into tonight, we're going to see this high pressure that we showed on the surface analysis begin to build directly over the Wallops region. That'll help to give us some of those light winds tonight and into tomorrow as well, helping to give us a very pleasant day, seeing temperatures still a little bit cool with in the mid 60s for our Wednesday. As we go on to Thursday, that high is going to slowly start to shift east of the area, helping to usher in a little bit of a southerly flow. So we'll see those temperatures bump up into the upper 60s for our Thursday, and then the high is really going to start to expand as it moves just to the west of Bermuda. That's really going to help to usher in a good southwesterly flow, bringing in some moisture and some warmth. So maybe even seeing a little bit of some humid conditions out there this weekend. We are expecting temperatures to be in the upper 70s at Wallops and perhaps in the lower 80s across more warmer interior portions of the Delmarva. As we go into the weekend, we are going to be seeing the stationary front start to slowly drop its way down just across the northern portions of Delmarva. And on Saturday, that could be enough to spark off some isolated to perhaps scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly north of the Wallops region right now. But it could still be seeing about a 30% chance of some shower or thunderstorm activity at Wallops. Also going to be seeing this be the cooler of the three Friday, Saturday, and Sunday days as we get this little front moving, perhaps uh, just south enough where it gives us a little bit of an onshore flow for Saturday afternoon. And it's also going to, like I said, help to provide the trigger for some isolated to potentially scattered showers and storms. This front will linger across the area, but become weaker as we go into Sunday. So we could see some more isolated storms across the area on Sunday, especially Sunday morning. And then still looking at a slight chance of a pop-up shower or storm as we go into Sunday afternoon. Then as we go into Monday, we are going to be seeing this that front start to make its way across the region, Some model differences still, though, on exactly what timing and strength of this front will be, but it is enough where we will have another day up into the 70s, it looks like, and then seeing some chances for showers and storms by Monday afternoon. But like I said, this European model that we are looking at is a little bit more bullish than some of the other models, so we're only running around a 20% chance to see some afternoon showers and storms for Monday. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be 60 today under partly cloudy skies. Starting to see those temperatures slowly moderate as we go into tomorrow with a high of 64. Thursday, we'll see it even a little bit warmer than that with a high of 67 under partly to mostly cloudy skies as we'll have some mid and upper level cloudiness streaming across the area. And then as we go into Friday morning, that southwesterly flow really starts to ramp up. That's going to prevent our low from dropping too much, seeing a very mild low of 60 degrees and a very warm high of 79 for Friday under partly cloudy skies. Saturday morning and Sunday morning, it's still going to be very mild with those lows in the 60s, as well as Monday morning too. And then a Saturday, Sunday can be looking at highs in the mid to upper 70s with those chances of some isolated thunderstorms across the region. And then Monday, seeing that high into the mid to upper 70s once again as we get that front starting to move its way across the area, seeing another chance for some isolated thunderstorms. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.